Hi, my name is Emily and I'm gluten and lactose intolerant. And that is why I'm so happy I found Superfood Greens Fusion, because it doesn't contain any of those ingredients and labeled gluten-free and lactose-free. My doctor recommended that I eat more greens, but I just didn't have time in my busy schedule to prep for that. So that's where Superfood Greens came in. It's super easy. You can mix this in with water or add this to your morning smoothie. It didn't take long for me to feel this change in my digestive system. I felt less bloated and just a lot of energy throughout the day. Another benefit that I didn't expect was weight loss. I didn't start using it for that, but I'm very happy of the benefit. Superfood Greens Fusion helps me feel full and alive throughout the day. I'm so happy that this product is convenient, especially with my busy schedule. I never have to worry about getting enough greens. In fact, this is like a salad in a glass, so many nutrients that I'm getting. And it fits with my dietary needs. I love this and I'm so happy I found Superfood Greens Fusion to keep with my healthy lifestyle.